Hi guys, we were actually called from Nigeria to come around some automation lighting system in this apartment in Ghana. So when we came, our client told us the work had already been started by an electrician who was taking charge of the electrical works in this building. So when we came, we realized that the staircase automation lighting piping that was done earlier by the electrician wasn't properly done. So as it stands now, we'll begin everything. So as you can look at it, we're just looping the light out. So this is not the proper way to do it. So this is it. So we've started already. As you can see, dust everywhere from the video. So this is it. So all these things will be done. So initially the electrician began by opening it from here, as you can see. So this was the one he used. The guy really tried, but this isn't the proper way to go about it. So this is it. So as it stands now, we are doing it from the beginning. So we've succeeded in opening these walls from here. So each one will have its own box. That will be done later. So this is it. Alright, the piping ongoing. See Ghanaian pipes. Yeah. Beautiful pipes. So the piping is ongoing. As you can see, this is it. Look how beautiful the pipes look. Maybe I'll take some to Nigeria. I like it. Maybe use it as surface piping. Alright. No, see how they don't scatter here with pipe. Nah. People invest. Alright. Running light by the side of the wall. So all the profiles are already installed, as you can see from the ground. So the top, just straight profile, they are all installed successfully. So now we are installing the LED light. And this is it. Installation ongoing. So we are covering it now. This is it. Covering the view and profile. Yes.
So far so good. We've been able to install 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is it. Look at how neat it looks. So this is how you install your profile staircase.
And this staircase, the building is a 2-story building, and the first staircase will be provided with automation lighting system. This was the first one from the ground floor to the first floor, while from here, from the first floor to the second floor. So it has a running light by its side. So this running light works is an automation light as well. So when you start moving, the light turns on its own, and when you leave the staircase, the light turns off on its own, apart from the tree that is not automation. The tree on the wall, the other tree over there that looks from the ground to the POP, that one is not an automation. While these ones by the wall side, by the side of the staircase and on the staircase, is an automation lighting system. So when you start moving on the staircase, the light turns on its own, and it turns off on its own as well. So look at it, how beautiful this is. Look at the transformation we're able to give this staircase. Look at it. So if you like what you're seeing, just click the subscription button. If you are watching this on YouTube, it's on Facebook, just share, comment your thought, share. So this is it. So upper here, the staircase, look at how this one will move. This is it. Is the running one by the side of the staircase. It moves. The job is done. So if you like what you're seeing, just click the subscription button. If you are watching this on YouTube, and if on Facebook, share, and make sure you follow the page, because more of the setting will be dropped often and often. So the light will start turning off on its own. Look at it. Look at how the light goes. It will be off on its own. So when you start moving on the staircase, it will on its own as well. Look at it. This is what I want. This is what I'm saying. So if you like what you're saying, just click the follow button. If you're watching this on Facebook, it's on YouTube, click the subscription button and support us with your subscription. And make sure you click the notification button. What the notification button does is it notifies you of any post we make, so you won't be left behind of our new update. Just stay on this page, because you'll be learning a lot on this page. We'll be doing automation, Alexa, and the rest of it on this page. You will learn a lot. So thank you for watching, and God bless you immensely. And this is it. Look at how it looks clean. Thank you for watching.